Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best gluten-free cookbooks is probably one of the most exciting areas in the culinary world, especially for those who love to bake but need to avoid gluten. Navigating the world of gluten-free baking can be tricky, but with the right cookbook, you can create delicious breads, cakes, and pastries that everyone will enjoy. Today, we're diving into some of the top cookbooks that will guide you through the process. Number 5. Cannelle et Vanille Bake Simple, Gluten-Free Baking. This book offers a fresh approach to gluten-free baking. It simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone. You'll find delicious recipes that are easy to follow. The recipes are designed to be straightforward, using readily available ingredients. It focuses on creating flavorful baked goods without the complexity. You'll be amazed at what you can create. This book takes the guesswork out of gluten-free baking. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. Many recipes include vegan options, expanding the possibilities. It caters to different dietary needs and preferences. It allows everyone to enjoy the joy of baking. This book is your guide to creating amazing gluten-free and vegan-friendly baked goods. It's a must-have for anyone looking to explore new baking horizons. Get ready to bake. What we like. This cookbook offers vegan options for most recipes, making it incredibly versatile. Its simple and elegant recipes are perfect for anyone. If you are looking for gluten-free baking with vegan options, this is the one for you. What people say. She also uses a variety of flours, so it is a good chance to mix it up from wheat flour if that is what you traditionally bake with. These recipes are well tested, straightforward, and simple. The photography is gorgeous and creates an inspiring atmosphere. Number 4. The Big Book of Gluten-Free Baking Cookbook. Are you looking for amazing gluten-free recipes? This book is packed with sweet and savory options. It's perfect for anyone who loves to bake. From cakes to cookies, this cookbook has it all. It includes recipes for all your favorite desserts, now gluten-free. You'll find something for every sweet tooth. It's not just about sweets, this book also features savory recipes. You can create delicious gluten-free meals for any time of day. It makes cooking easy and enjoyable. Each recipe comes with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. Even if you're new to gluten-free baking, you can create amazing dishes. The book guides you every step of the way. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to gluten-free baking. It's filled with tips and tricks to help you succeed. Get ready to enjoy all your favorite baked goods, worry-free. What we like. This cookbook provides a wide range of sweet and savory recipes. It's a comprehensive collection for all your baking needs. If you want a variety of gluten-free options, this book is a great choice. What people say. The recipes are incredibly well written and easy to follow, with clear instructions and helpful tips for getting the best results. The ingredients are accessible, and I've been able to find most of them at my local grocery store, which is a huge bonus. She starts you off with recipes for not only her GF all-purpose flour blend, but also for a separate GF bread flour blend. Yes, they are different and each gives different results. Number 3. Gluten-Free Baking, 102 Foolproof Recipes. Are you looking for delicious gluten-free recipes? This book is perfect for you. It offers 102 foolproof recipes for various baked goods. This book covers a wide range of recipes. It includes recipes for breads, cakes, cookies, and many other treats. Each recipe is designed to be easy to follow. You will find that the recipes are simple and the results are amazing. Enjoy baking at home with these fantastic recipes. It's a great way to create delicious treats for yourself and your loved ones. These recipes are both delicious and easy to make. It is a great resource for anyone looking to bake gluten-free goods. What we like. This cookbook features 102 foolproof recipes, ensuring success in your gluten-free baking. It covers a wide variety of delicious breads, cakes, cookies, and more. If you are a beginner, this book is ideal for you. What people say. The author carefully wrote the recipes using a variety of easy-to-buy specialty flours, sorghum, oat, teff, tapioca, and others, to approximate the results of non-gluten-free baked goods. The recipes always work. Always. And they're tasty. The beautiful photos, precisely measured ingredients, creative recipes, and helpful hints have put this on my favorite cookbook shelf, and I've already marked 19 recipes to try. Number 2. Gluten-free flavor flours. Bake with rice, nut, coconut, teff, etc. Are you ready to revolutionize your baking? This product offers a new way to create delicious treats without gluten. It opens up a world of possibilities for everyone. This product features a variety of non-wheat flours. It includes rice, nut, coconut, teff, buckwheat, and sorghum flours. You can experiment with different flavors and textures. Rice flour is a great starting point for gluten-free baking. It provides a light and delicate texture. It is perfect for cakes, cookies, and more. Nut flours, such as almond or cashew, bring a rich flavor. They also add a boost of protein and healthy fats. They are ideal for creating moist and flavorful baked goods. Coconut flour adds a subtle sweetness and tropical aroma. It is also high in fiber. This flour works well in muffins, pancakes, and other treats. Teff, buckwheat, and sorghum flours offer unique flavors and textures. They provide a range of nutrients and add depth to your recipes. They are perfect for those looking for something different. With this product, you can bake with confidence. It is a guide to creating delicious gluten-free treats. Enjoy the freedom to explore new flavors and recipes. What we like. This cookbook focuses on using different non-wheat flours. It explores the unique flavors and textures of rice, nut, coconut, teff, buckwheat, and sorghum flours. If you like experimenting with new flavors and ingredients, consider this one. What people say. The layout of the recipe was manageable on an iPad. The directions were thorough but not wordy, telling me precisely what I needed to know but wasting none of my time. Metrich's approach is totally different from any of the other GF books I have. I love how the recipes highlight the different flours and the flavors that work well with them. Number 1. Gluten-free sourdough baking, miracle bread without wheat. Are you craving delicious, fresh bread but need to avoid gluten? This method shows you how to create amazing sourdough without any wheat. It's a game changer for anyone with dietary restrictions. This unique approach unlocks the secrets of perfect gluten-free sourdough. It guides you through every step, from creating your starter to baking a beautiful loaf. You'll be amazed at the results. This method makes it easy to enjoy the taste and texture of traditional sourdough. It uses simple, accessible ingredients and techniques. You'll soon be baking bread that everyone will love. This method simplifies the process of gluten-free baking. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers. With this method, you can enjoy the delicious taste and texture of sourdough. It's a healthy and satisfying alternative to traditional bread. It is something you will enjoy. What we like. This cookbook focuses on gluten-free sourdough baking. It teaches the miracle method for creating great bread without wheat. If you love the tangy flavor of sourdough, this is the perfect book for you. What people say. Very easy to follow. The book does use like 10 different gluten-free flours, so I have definitely been frequenting my local coop much more to get them. But the breads and all of the baked goods come out so good. These recipes are IT. The author has clearly done a lot of painstaking work to get the flavors and textures right. I cannot wait to wade in further and try the ciabatta rolls, the baguettes, and the dinner rolls. She even has a few recipes for using discarded starter. Her instructions are clear, and the information at the beginning of the book is vital to doing this right, so don't skip straight to the recipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.